Are you throwing away kitchen scraps that could transform your garden? Your kitchen is a goldmine for powerful, all-natural plant food. Most people just toss it. Today, I'll show you how to turn 8 common kitchen scraps into the ultimate garden fertilizer. Forget store-bought products, this is the real gardening hack. We're about to turn your waste into a supercharged buffet for your plants. Ready to see your garden explode with growth? Let's get started. First up, banana peels, don't toss them. They're packed with potassium, a must for vibrant flowers and fruit. Chop 3 or 4 peels into small pieces for faster nutrient release. Submerge them in a jar of water and let it sit for 2 days. The water turns brown, that's your liquid gold. Strain out the peels and use the banana tea to water your flowering plants weekly. Pour it at the base. Watch your tomatoes, peppers, and roses explode with color. More flowers, bigger fruits, stronger stems. It's one of the simplest, most effective garden hacks. No chemicals, just pure plant power. Try it and see the difference in just a few weeks. Your garden will thank you. Banana peels from trash to treasure. Next, eggshells, nature's calcium boost. Rinse and dry your eggshells, then crush them into a fine powder. Sprinkle the powder around the base of tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini, or mix into your watering can. This prevents blossom end rot and builds strong cell walls. Fine powder works fast, big chunks take years. Use at planting and mid-season for best results. No more mushy spots, just healthy, productive plants. Eggshells, simple, free, and powerful. Give your plants a calcium shield. Want deep green leaves? Grab Epsom salt. Magnesium in Epsom salt is key for lush, healthy plants. Mix 1 tablespoon Epsom salt in a liter of water. Shake until dissolved, then spray directly on leaves. Foliar feeding gives an instant boost. Plants absorb it fast. Use on tomatoes, peppers, roses, and houseplants. Spray in the morning or evening to avoid leaf burn. Repeat every couple of weeks for vibrant, thick foliage. It's cheap, easy, and works wonders. Fix yellowing leaves and boost growth instantly. Epsom salt, your secret weapon for green. Don't toss your used coffee grounds, they're garden gold. Dry them out completely to avoid mold. Sprinkle dried grounds around leafy greens or add to compost. They're rich in nitrogen, perfect for spinach, kale, and lettuce. Coffee grounds feed your plants slowly, building healthy soil. Acid-loving plants especially thrive. Every cup of coffee means a bigger harvest. Coffee grounds, the ultimate free fertilizer. Stop pouring rice water down the drain. That cloudy water from rinsing rice is packed with nutrients and beneficial microbes. Collect it and use it to water your houseplants and herbs. It's gentle, won't burn roots, and encourages steady growth. No need to dilute, just pour it on. Use every time you water for a consistent boost. It's free, easy, and reduces waste. Rice water, ancient secret, modern results. Give your plants a gentle, nutritious drink. Got a lawn? Grass clippings are a nitrogen bomb for your garden. Fill a bucket 2/3 with fresh clippings, cover with water, and let ferment for 3-5 days. Stir daily, yes, it'll smell, but that's the magic happening. Strain and dilute. 1 part grass tea to 10 parts water. Water your veggies with this mix for explosive green growth. Don't use treated grass, keep it clean. Add a handful of leaves or soil to boost microbes. Use this a few times each season for best results. Grass tea, powerful, free, and easy. Turn your lawn waste into garden fuel. Have a fireplace or fire pit? Wood ash is packed with potassium and calcium. Use only ash from clean, untreated wood. Sprinkle a thin layer over vegetable beds in winter or early spring. Avoid acid-loving plants like blueberries and potatoes. Wood ash raises soil pH, great for acidic soils. A little goes a long way, don't overdo it. It strengthens plants and boosts harvests. Wood ash, ancient, free, and effective. The king of DIY fertilizers, compost tea. Scoop finished compost into a porous bag and steep in a bucket of water for 1-2 days. Stir occasionally to release nutrients and microbes. For extra power, bubble air through the water. Strain and use the tea to water soil and spray leaves. Compost tea inoculates your garden with beneficial microbes. It builds healthy soil, fights disease, and boosts growth. Use regularly for resilient, productive plants. Compost tea, the ultimate biological boost. Turn your compost into liquid gold. There you have it. 8 ways to turn kitchen trash into garden treasure. Start small, Test each method and watch your plants thrive. Rotate your fertilizers and dilute strong mixes. Consistency is key for healthy living soil. You're not just a gardener, you're an alchemist. Try one hack today and share your results below. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic gardening tips.